Hey everyone, before we get started with today's video, if you're interested in getting high-paying job offers sent to you for free, you can enter your email below for Fetti. Fetti will help you land the job of your dreams. Basically, all you have to do is answer a couple of questions, enter your email, and Fetti will actually send you a list of high-paying jobs. It's super easy. You can even do this remotely and from anywhere in the country. You can literally apply to multiple jobs in a single click. So use our link below for Fetti, and now let's jump into the video.
Yeah, because like the passengers should know because you see like the make and model of the car and the license plate and a picture because you have to have a picture if you're a driver, right?
But with Uber doesn't make their passengers have pictures anymore, do they? Or never did they?
The passengers don't need to, but I think the drivers do.
Yeah, because the passengers can have an unverified photo. Like I picked up Drake once on Sunset, and I wish I had the footage of this, but I picked up Drake and he had a picture. It was a Lyft ride, so he had a picture of Tupac Shakur, and I was like, and he didn't have the name Drake. The name was George or something like that. So I figured maybe this guy just really likes like rap or R&B. And you know what I do is I try to figure out my customer based on their name and photo sometimes. So like when I saw the picture of Tupac, like I changed the radio station from the rock station to like the R&B hip hop station. So like your customer already gets in and they're already happy because they're vibing to music they like, right? So that was one other little secret I would do is I would try to figure out like what they liked. Like if my passenger was like an elderly couple, I would like change it to the classical station or like relaxing music, or like a businessman, I would put on like classical or something like that, you know.
Good
And
idea.
that usually got good reviews and helped with tips,
Okay.